Good morning. Welcome back to the show. James Royal XRP Thursday. It's beautiful weather in Texas. I'm going to make a quick video before the work crew gets here, but we're going to cover some exciting things today. We're going to also look at a couple of things, text messages, phone calls, emails that you're receiving from all these scammers. We're going to briefly look at that and we're going to have a good time. So follow me on X at RuleXRP and we're going to go and get into it. One of my main sponsors, iTrustCapital, just surpassed $16 billion in total crypto transactions, closing out a standout 2025. I want to say congratulations to the team at iTrustCapital. Congratulations to everyone out there that have set up a retirement account or a premium custody account, because all of our funds are 100% safe. And I've been with iTrustCapital since 2020. It's been almost 6 years, and everything I have on that platform has not moved. It's grown, it's safe, and right here, check this out. Reaching this milestone is a great way to close out a remarkable year for our team, says Kevin Maloney. And I met him in New York at Ripple Swell. He's the Chief Executive Officer at iTrustCapital. As we head into 2026, we're focused on expanding what's possible for our clients and continue to build secure, dependable access to digital assets. The year is poised to be a pivotal one for both alternative assets and traditional finance industries. And right now, they are looking at staking. You could trade 24/7, 365. They're looking at all kind of opportunities, tokenization of things, other things that we may be able to invest in our retirement accounts and our premium custody accounts. They're ranked number one. Strong performance. Right here it says, heading into 2026, the team is focused on building on their momentum with new features, expanded access, and continued improvements designed to support investors at every step. The company expects to follow non-IRA accounts with a stablecoin option. And check this out, Bitcoin lending product, both slated for Q1 2026. I don't have that information yet, but I will get it out to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, sign up for free at iTrustCapital. I tell you what, thousands upon thousands of people are keeping their funds safe, keeping their crypto safe. They're not getting scammed. They're not getting hacked. Sign up below. Tell them James Royal XRP sent you by. Crypto numbers, 3.16 trillion. Bitcoin, 90,000. Ethereum, 31.98. XRP, just a little over $2. Yeah, we're seeing volatility. And even after Powell at the Feds announced the quarter point deduction in rates, we get a drop in crypto. You know, crypto's volatile. And a lot of you out there, a lot of the newbies are really complaining. You're leaving real rude comments on my posts, and it's okay. It don't affect me. It's just, it makes you look like a fool. And I said, look, it's just a little volatility, people. It's a roller coaster ride. Get used to it. I have never seen so many people complain on X, which is Twitter. If you can't say something nice, don't say it. It makes you look like a fool. If you can't run with the big dogs, stay on the porch. Hodl and, pardon my language, but shut the fuck up. That's all. Get used to it, people. I've been in this almost 9 years, and I just love this community because we've held it out for so long, and we're continuing to hodl. So this morning I was going through my emails, and every day I get a scam email, a scam text, a scam phone call, or whatever. I delete, I don't answer, I delete, I don't answer, I don't click on links. And right here it says, ignore and delete scam emails. And I posted this morning. Ledger, the wallet provider, will never contact you for your personal information. Your recovery phrases, which are 12 and 24 words that you write down when you set up your wallets, are for you only and no one else. Do not ever click on links or download software within an email. Get used to deleting everything. And right here, this is the scam email. It looks legit. Ledger, verify your wallet to enhance security before December. And they can't even spell December right. So you know there's a glitch here. You know it's wrong. So what they're wanting you to do is click on the link, which is going to bring you to a page that looks like Ledger's official page. And they're going to say, okay, let's validate your wallet. Let's key in your 24 words and make sure it's good. Don't do it, people, because what's going to happen is when you share the keys to your castle, these 12 and 24 words, they are immediately going to duplicate your wallets on their end and drain your accounts. So don't do it. Learn to delete. And here's another one. a text message from a fake Coinbase. It's at a 332 area code. It's saying, we detect the login from your location that doesn't match your recent activity. Thailand. Was it you? Contact this number. Do not call that number. These are scammers. Coinbase will never contact you. What you do when you get these texts, open up the Coinbase app on your phone or go home and log on your computer. If there's no notifications, you know it was a scam. And 99% of the phone calls you get, the texts you get, the emails are scams. Delete, delete, delete. Take 10 minutes, be patient, and delete. So let's go and get excited. So yesterday, Gemini put this post out saying, exploring fast settlement makes every payment feel limitless. And I got XRP out of it. Well, they announced that they are now adding support for RLUSD, Ripple stablecoin, on the XRP ledger, bringing near instant settlement and lower fees. And this is awesome because you could flip a token into RLUSD, XRP ledger on the Gemini network. It only costs fractions of a penny to make a transaction on the XRP ledger. And I went in and I validated it. I said RLUSD on the XRP ledger is now available at Gemini. I opened up my app. I searched for RLUSD. On the next page, it gave me the option to choose the XRP network or the Ethereum network. If you didn't know, RLUSD is available both on the XRP ledger and on the Ethereum blockchain. And I went to the next screen and it showed my QR code for deposit. And I went in and deposited $1 of RLUSD on the XRP network, which got there in a few seconds. And it's legit. It works, people. Get excited. Ellie Tarrant, just in, CFTC Acting Chair Carolyn D. Pham has named the first group of exchange CEOs to the new CFTC CEO Innovation Council, a forum that will tackle market structure issues in derivative markets. And this is who Carolyn Pham chose. You got Craig Donahue, CBOE, and I'm not going to name all the names. Adina Friedman, Nasdaq. I got to meet her in New York. Terry Duff, CME Group, you got Bullish, you got Bitnomial, Kalshi, Polymarket, Crypto.com, LSEG, Kraken, Ice Markets, and Tyler Winklevoss with Gemini. The CEOs will advise on issues including tokenization, perpetuals, prediction markets, 24/7 trading, and blockchain-based infrastructure. And I thought I was going to see Brad Garlinghouse or somebody from Ripple on here, but that's okay. That's okay. We're moving forward, people. Okay, so the Kwok brothers, I got to meet them as well in New York. They're awesome. The EasyA app, if you haven't downloaded it yet, go to, on X, go to @EasyA_app and download the app and learn about all of these different blockchains and go in and do some test runs. They show you how to code a little bit. They show you what all these blockchains are used for. But check this out. They got to go to Nasdaq yesterday. And Bank XRP posted this. When you combine RLUSD with the XRP ledger, you get supercharged utility. More utility brings institutions, consumers, and real growth. This space will scale bigger than anyone imagined. Listen to this.
Together, when you combine the stable coins, together with blockchains, an RLUSD together with an XRP, I think that's where you get a supercharged amount of utility. And I think utility is the thing that everybody's talking about. How do we bring more of that? And that's when the institutions come in, that's when consumers can use it. And then this whole space is just going to grow, I think, bigger than any of us have ever imagined.
Yeah, and the network effect, as everyone is talking about.
And that's pretty awesome. And I had a selfie taken with these guys and Ashish Burla with Evernorth and several others. And I had such a good time. But yeah, I mean, they were at NASDAQ and they're talking about stable coins and RLUSD and XRP ledger, and it's getting out there to the masses, people. This thing is going to pop here very soon. So, okay, here's the really, really exciting news. 21Shares has been teasing us here for the past couple of weeks, and they have finally released TOXR, which is 21Shares XRP ETF. And if we go to the page, I'm going to leave a link to everything below. This is the TOXR page, 21Shares XRP ETF, and right here it states that the 21Shares XRP ETF predicts or provides direct exposure to XRP, a digital asset built to make cross-border payments faster, more affordable, and more reliable than traditional systems. XRP runs on the decentralized XRP ledger, which is used globally by payment providers, banks, and fintechs aiming to modernize international settlement. And if we go down a little bit further, it says they're transforming global payments, growing institutional use, a USD-backed stablecoin on the XRP ledger, which is RLUSD, the most efficient stablecoin, the most transparent stablecoin in the world that is working its way up the ranks. So here we go, $20.33. Premiums $20.33. There's no numbers on this yet because it's just going live today. Okay, so the underlying assets are 98 million XRP. I repeat, 98 million XRP, which is currently $204 million. The name is 21Shares XRP ETF. It's a digital asset ETF. CBOE exchange, inception date today, December 11, 2025. The custodians are Anchorage, BitGo, Coinbase Custody, and it's pretty awesome, people. And if you go to the top here and if you click Invest Now, it's going to give you these options: Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, Robinhood, E-Trade, Interactive Brokers. And I reshared the screenshot here and I said, look, every 401k in the United States, most likely by next year, is going to have cryptocurrency options. We're talking millions upon millions. I think Vanguard has 50 million people. Fidelity, everybody knows who Fidelity. Charles Schwab. I mean, it's limitless because all of you out there, I've been talking to my friends here locally, guys that work at the plants, girls that work at different jobs that have, 401ks in their retirement plan. Crypto's coming, people. XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's all coming to your retirement account. What does this mean? This means that trillions of dollars are going to trickle in the crypto market. Trillions of dollars are going to trickle into the crypto market. We're currently at $3 trillion. Wait till we get to $10 or $20 trillion market cap. What is that going to put Bitcoin at? 250,000. What is it going to put Ethereum at? Possibly 10,000. What is it going to put XRP at now that we're climbing up the ranks? We've always been the top 10 XRP. Are we going to be looking at a $10 XRP very soon? Are we going to be looking at a $20 XRP very soon? Because all of these individuals are going to be scooping it up because they've been hearing it from us. They've been kind of scared. They don't want to go to an Uphold or a Coinbase or a Kraken or a Gemini to buy their own crypto. Well, now they're going to have options in their retirement accounts. And right now, you have that option to move an old 401k over to iTrustCapital. Click on the link below. Invest in crypto now before everything changes. And don't forget, subscribe to the James Rule Crypto Show. Have a wonderful day. Get excited. Back up the truck when you can. Dollar cost average. When the prices drop, put a little bit more into it. Not financial advice. Life-changing advice, people. Have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. James Rule XRP is out of here. And always remember, I told you so.